Hey everyone! Today we're hunting down a sneaky leak under the sink. The cabinet turned into a mini swimming pool, and the culprit is a failed shut-off valve. I'll show you, step by step, how to remove the old valve and install a new one the right way. Tools and parts needed: 2 adjustable wrenches, channel locks, towel/bucket, safety glasses, a Dremel or hacksaw, optional, a pipe cleaning brush, 1/2 inch/3/4, a mini pipe cutter, new shut-off valve, either push fit, what's aqualock. Step 1, identify the bad valve. See the difference? One valve shows a white stem, the other doesn't. The one without the visible stem has failed. Time to replace it. Step 2, make space to work. Remove the cabinet doors for room to move. Just back out the hinge screws, quick and easy. Step 3, shut a main water. Turn of water to the whole house. On homes around 20 to 30 years old, the main shut-off is usually near the water meter. Turn the handle 90 degrees to the pipe to shut off. Step 4, confirm water is of. Open a faucet to confirm there's no flow before you start. Step 5, loosen and remove the old valve. Use 2 wrenches. One holds the valve body, the other turns a compression nut. The nut squeezes a brass ferrule onto the pipe. That's the seal. Step 6, deal with a stuck ferrule. If the brass ring is stuck, try channel locks to work it loose. If it won't budge, carefully make a small cut with a Dremel metal wheel and pry it open with a screwdriver. Don't cut into the copper. Step 7, clean the pipe. Use a pipe cleaning brush 1/2/3/4 to remove corrosion and debris. You want a smooth, clean surface for the new valve. Step 8, install path, a push fit valve. For push fit, mark insertion depth. Push the valve straight on until it's fully seated, then lock it with a horseshoe clip so it can't release accidentally. Step 9, install path B compression valve. For compression, slide the nut on first, then a new ferrule. Insert the pipe into the valve, finger tighten the nut, then snug with wrenches. Don't use thread tape on the compression threads. Step 10, restore water and check for leaks. Turn the main back on slowly. Open the new shutoff and check all around connection for moisture. Step 11, if you see a tiny leak. If there's a drip on a compression setup, don't reuse the old ring. Cut the pipe back with a mini cutter to fresh copper. Install a new nut and ferrule and retighten. That's how I got a perfect seal. No leaks. Step 12, final check and wrap up. We got a brand new shut-off valve, no drips, and a dry cabinet. Mission accomplished. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more DIY plumbing fixes, and browse the channel for more under-the-sink repairs. See you in the next one.